Science! And a 1, 2. Woo! Science! Hey kids, Professor Marbles here. Today we're going to take this cup and flip it upside down, but the water's going to stay in it like this. To the lab!
You are done. Fired.
Alright, we're back at the lab. We've got our jar and all of our other materials here. First thing we're going to do is take our jar and we're going to top it off with water. All the way to the top, like that. And then we'll take our piece of cardboard and put it like that. And then flip it, and it should work. I'm going to hold it and then I'll let go and see what that does.
Excuse me, what?
Shut up. Why did that work? That one wasn't supposed to work.
What do we do now? Smile.
Oh, that's how it's done. All right, thanks for watching. Remember to always look for the science around you, and I'll see you at the next experiment. I can't believe that worked. There it is, very, very full, and skadoosh.